How to apply cologne, a guide for fresh scents. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of fragrances and learn how to apply cologne properly. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to smell great every day, this video will guide you through the steps and tips to enhance your presence with a hint of fragrance. So let's dive into the art of smelling your best. Cologne, often referred to as eau de cologne, is a type of perfume with a lighter concentration of fragrance oils compared to other types of perfumes. It's designed to offer a subtle scent that can be refreshing and invigorating. Ideal for daily wear, cologne is a go-to choice for a clean and fresh feeling. The first step to applying cologne is to choose a scent that reflects your personality and style. Do you prefer citrusy notes? Or are you drawn to woodier undertones? Remember, the fragrance should complement you, so take your time to find the one that resonates with your persona. Timing is key when it comes to applying cologne. The best time is after a shower when your skin is clean and your pores are open, which helps in absorbing the cologne, making the scent last longer. Here's how to properly apply cologne. 1. Spray on pulse points. These are areas like your wrists, neck, and chest where the body is warmer, which helps in diffusing the scent throughout the day. 2. Do not rub. After spraying, let the cologne dry naturally. Rubbing can break down the molecules and alter the scent. 3. Layering. If you have a matching scented lotion, apply it first to help the cologne cling better to your skin. Do spray cologne from a distance of about 3 to 6 inches away. Don't overdo it. Cologne should be discovered, not announced. Do reapply if needed, but sparingly. Don't mix scents. Stick to one cologne to avoid a fragrance clash. And that's how you apply cologne. We hope this guide helps you feel confident and smelling fantastic. Remember, the right amount of cologne can truly make a difference. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay fresh.